Welcome back to Auto Master, and today we're checking out something perfect for road trips, family adventures, and luxury camping lovers. This is the brand new 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo Horizon, a premium camper van that mixes the comfort of a luxury car with the freedom of a motorhome. If you've ever dreamed of traveling anywhere without booking hotels, this van might be exactly what you need. At first glance, the Marco Polo Horizon doesn't look like a typical camper. It carries that clean and classy Mercedes design language with a bold front grille, large three-pointed star logo, sleek LED headlights, and a smooth aerodynamic body. The shape is modern and elegant rather than boxy, which makes it feel more like a luxury MPV than a heavy camper. Chrome details, stylish alloy wheels, and optional metallic colors like obsidian black, selenite gray, and arctic white give it a premium road presence. The pop-up roof is smartly integrated, so when it's closed, the van still looks sporty and city-friendly. Open it up, and you instantly get extra sleeping space and headroom, turning it into a mini home on wheels. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize this is pure Mercedes luxury. The interior feels more like a high-end lounge than a van. Soft leather seats, ambient lighting, premium stitching, and high-quality materials are everywhere. The cabin is spacious, with flexible seating that can slide, fold, or convert into a comfortable bed within minutes. The Horizon version focuses more on space and comfort, making it perfect for families or groups. You get a foldable table, rotating front seats, and smart storage compartments for travel gear. The pop-up roof also hides an extra bed, so up to 4 people can sleep comfortably. Long journeys feel relaxing thanks to the quiet cabin, large windows, and panoramic views that bring the outside scenery inside. Technology is another big highlight. The large MBUX infotainment system sits in the center with a crisp touchscreen display, voice control, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Everything feels modern and easy to use. You also get digital instrument clusters, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system for entertainment on the road. Safety features are exactly what you expect from Mercedes, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. Whether you're driving through tight city streets or mountain roads, this van keeps you safe and confident. Under the hood, the 2026 Marco Polo Horizon offers smooth and efficient engine options. Most markets get a refined turbocharged diesel or petrol engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Power delivery is strong yet comfortable, making highway cruising effortless. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth for a camper, and the suspension handles bumps in rough roads really well. If you choose the 4MATIC all-wheel drive version, you can even take it off the beaten path for camping in remote locations. Despite its size, the steering feels light, and parking is easy thanks to smart driver assistance systems. When it comes to features, this van is all about convenience. You get climate control, power sliding doors, foldable beds, camping tables, smart lighting, and optional kitchen modules depending on your setup. It's designed so you can switch from daily driving mode to travel mode in seconds. That flexibility is what makes the Marco Polo Horizon special compared to traditional RVs. Talking about price, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo Horizon is expected to start around $70,000 and can go beyond $90,000 with extra options and luxury packages. It's definitely not cheap, but you're paying for Mercedes quality, comfort, and the freedom to travel anytime. Overall, the Marco Polo Horizon is the perfect mix of luxury, practicality, and adventure. It's stylish enough for city life and capable enough for camping trips, making it one of the best premium camper vans in the world. If you love travel and comfort together, this might just be your dream vehicle. Thanks for watching AutoMaster, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing car reviews.